my study, which is identifying reason for infant cry using machine learning. And I would like to bring you directly to the the methodology of this study. Start with the methodology, which the agile methodology. So in this project, I use the agile methodology because it is the right methodology to develop the system from planning to deployment. So according to Malik, and the others, during their study 2019 concluded that the agile methodology has the positive effects and the IT project where requirements are dynamic. Agile principles are not only restricted to the industry, can also be applied in academic and are suggested to be applied in every project, irrespective of the size of the project where requirements are flexible. So the agile methodology has the six stages. So from the plan, it is the first stage where the project is being acquired, all the necessary necessary instrument to plan to develop the next stage, which is the designing. So the design here is the process where the project to design all the necessary output of the system, and also included the font and the data and everything that is required to construct the project. And then next is the development, which is the third stage of the project, where the project is developed, and all the necessary data like the cry, it is actually consists of different cry that is labeled and a different output. And then next is the test, where the system is being tested if the accuracy of the output is really accurate with the data set is really accurate with the output of the project. And next is the deployment. Here in this stage is actually being used by the respondent, where the respondent can use the system to apply it in their daily approach with their infants. And then the review is the feedback of the system, if how the system is being worked with the infant or to the caregivers and for the first time parents. Next is the method, which is I use an experimental research to investigate the potential of identifying reason for infant cry using machine learning technology. And this revolutionizing infant care by providing precise monitoring through the analysis of the infant cry signal. Next is the data presentation. So the survey result from the survey identifying reason for infant cry indicate the general positive sentiment among the 100 participants across 10 questions. Next is the demographic information. So the demographic information, the demographic profile of the respondents analyzed using simple percentage. So the simple percentage is equal, is the percentage equal to the frequency of each category divided by the total number of the respondents, and then it is multiplied to 100 to get the percentage of the demographic profile. Next is the overall mean score, that the respondent demonstrated a generally favorable inclination with an overall mean of 4.81. Next is the statistical analysis. The study use of simple percentage to analyze the demographic profiles, indicating a structured approach to data interpretation, which means it is consistently indicated a strong agree sentiment. And then next is the tables. It is actually consists of several tables and the manuscript that are used throughout the documents to organize and present data clearly, making it easier for the readers to interpret the findings. And then next is the result and discussion. So the result, the system shows positive feedback to survey for 100 participants, showed strong support to the identifying reason for infant cry with an overall mean score of 4.635. It also agreed to the importance of the system being accessible and affordable, with a mean score ranging from 4.39 to 4.71. It is indicate a strong positive reception of the identifying reason for infant cry, highlighting its potential to enhance infant care through objectives analysis and timely support for caregivers, and also for individual parents who are actually dealing with their infant and they cannot understand why their infant is crying. So by using the system, it will shows that the system that their infant need to feed, or either they are discomfort or they have their belly pain. So it shows that